make a moss pole with me. So what you need is gutter guard. You also need a little pole to make sure you get some stability in your moss pole, and zap straps or zip ties. Of course, you need some damp moss as well. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to zap strap your support. You're gonna place the moss. Now you want it to go all the way up to the top. This is the tricky part because it does take some coordination. You're going to roll it, getting as much of that moss in there as you can so that it overlaps. You're just going to zap tie it shut. We're just gonna cut off these bits here, make it look nice and pretty. So obviously I'll probably need a heavier pot eventually for this guy, but then you just train the vines around the moss pole. Cure it with horticultural Velcro. And that's how you make a moss pole for your vining plants. Follow for more plant talk.